Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Lori. For those of you who are new, welcome. I greatly appreciate you clicking on this video. And for those of you returning, my subscribers, welcome back. All right, you guys, what do I have for you? I know it's always like it's not a mystery because it's in the title. I got my BOXYCHARM. This one here is the premium. I've had it for about 4 or 5 days now. I think it came Monday. BOXYCHARM is a beauty box subscription. It is month to month. The only box that is not month to month is the LUXE that is quarterly, and it replaces your base box, just so you know. And I believe you get 3 choices in that one. The premium, you do get 2, and the base box, you get 1 choice. Now, the prices did go up for November. They were effective November 1st, so everybody's prices increased. The premium did, as well as the LUXE. The base box did not increase. This is it. You always know the premium, first off, because it says it inside. Second, because it's blue. You do get a card inside. This is the little card you get. The theme for November is invite only, and apparently I am invited. So I hope you have your invite card. If you don't, you gotta get one. The only way to get one is to sign up using the link down below in the description box, my referral link. I greatly appreciate it. So anyhow, on the other side, you do get a list of all your items that are inside your box, as well as a brief description of that product, including the retail price. We do have a few that are new launches and that are also new brands to Boxy, and I will let you know as we get to those items. So our first one is, and I want to say I chose this one. This sounds like something I would choose, but don't worry about it. I'm always going to put up here in the corner, like right up here, it's going to say choice item. I don't know, it might be up here. Who knows? It's going to be on the screen. This is Persona. This is the Identity 2 eyeshadow palette. So there is supposedly a 1, and this is a upgrade to it, or I guess you could call it that. It says ready for a bolder persona. The Identity 2 palette provides the same buttery buildable formula as the original Identity. It has more stunning, or with more stunning shimmers and epic color payoff. Whatever persona you want to create, the Identity 2 is versatile enough for everyday looks, date night drama, and everything in between. Well, hallelujah to you. Just go get your award already. This one comes in at 42 bucks. So we got $42 and a little bit difficult to open. Okay, it's missing something. We don't have any sanitary protector. Oh well. As you can see right here, it does have a very, very large mirror. It does have a very large mirror. Sorry about that. On the lid. This is the colors. These are gorgeous. This is beautiful. This would have been fun to use and play with and put a look together today. Oh well. So hey guys, before we get into any of these other items in the box, what do you guys got going on this weekend? I totally kept thinking today was Saturday and was wondering why my husband was working, and then found out that today's just the 12th. It's Friday. So what are you guys doing? What's your plans for the weekend? What's your plans for the weekend? I got some big plans for the weekend. I have to film a really awesome collab that I'm doing with 10 other channels. You're not going to want to miss it. It is going to premiere on the 20th of this month. It is a cozy Christmas gift exchange. So my box goes to one person, that person, on to the next and the next. We will have the channel playlist, will all be linked. You guys be watching for it and, show your support. Some of us are going to have a giveaway in our videos. I will be right here. I'm having a giveaway with mine. Not everybody is going to have a giveaway. Some people are participating in collabs, already are doing giveaways, so they couldn't. So you're not going to be required to have to do something with every channel. But I got some good stuff I'm putting together for my giveaway. You know it's good stuff because you know all the stuff I get. Anyhow, this here, let's get back to this here. Okay, this is our $42 Persona 2 palette by Persona Cosmetics. The next one, we got some drops in here. It says we got some drops in here. Oh, okay. These are the blush drops by Rodeo. This is a liquid blush. You know, I see girls using these all the time, and I was kind of struggling with my blush today. This would have been a really good, this would have been a product good to try out. This one is a new launch, and it comes in at 50 bucks. 50 bucks for this. Look, it's a pretty, pretty color. That's gorgeous. Look at that. That is beautiful. That real pretty, literally the color like blush. It's like pinky blush. Enhance the skin's luminosity by adding a healthy flush of color to the complexion. Yeah, should put some of this stuff on now. The concentrated drops provide a buildable, illuminating pop of color to your cheeks. Let's see. Oh, there's the color on the top. Okay, so the color in this blush here is called Frosted Pink. So that's it right there. This is the Better Skin Co. This is Eye Bright Now. This comes in at $38. It says, wake up and fight dark circles and puffiness with the Eye Bright Now serum. A single drop provides immediate hydration and helps with the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. Eye Bright Now assists in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Again, or for the first one, this one is a new brand to Boxy, and it comes in at $38. So that's not bad for a jar, you know, a little, and by the way, it's glass, this big for $38. I still think it's a little pricey. I think it should have been somewhere around the early 20s, $21, $22 maybe. But anyway, and this I have, this will make 3. This will make my 3rd tube. This is Nude Skin, Nude Sticks. So it's Nude Skin by Nude Sticks, Lemon and Detox, and Glow Micro Peel. $34. Yes, this is $34. And this is like that aluminum toothpaste kind of tube. The Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel is a skin clarifying at-home chemical peel that detoxifies the pores of excess oil, dirt, and pollution, while visibly rejuvenating skin tone and texture. Walt, aren't you special? You do a hell of a lot more than my other stuff does. Okay, powered by enzymatic peeling action of papain, along with the renewal properties of apple and pomegranate extracts. This skin superhero is also formulated with vitamin C and lemon peel oil to brighten the skin for radiant, youthful glow. She says, Lord Almighty, you do all that? I should have looked into you a long time ago, huh? Well, you can go just, there's a flat over there with your brother and sister in it, so you can just move in with them for a while. And you need to get a job too if you're going to hang out. Okay, 34 bucks, you guys. I'm telling you, some of these prices are just, they're a little bit much, you know. Okay, this is Riddle. That's what it says, Riddle Oil, original roll-on oil. It comes in at $50. This is a brand new brand. It's a new brand for Boxy. So we did have 2 of them. The first one was the Better Skin, the Eye Serum Oil, and this one. These are 2 new brands for Boxy. And at 50 bucks, I just, you know, this one does say that it does something, you know, with your own oils and smells, your scent. So check this out. Not only is it cute, it says original right there. And then it has like this upside down because it's got the question mark. Can you see that? Really? Can you hear him? He's like snoring up a storm. That's my Chihuahua. He's buddy. Oh my God. Anyway, I was like, is the microphone picking that up? Anyhow, it's got like a little upside down question mark on it. But here's what it says it does, and this is actually pretty cool. It says, made with simple ingredients of amber and musk, the original roll-on oil smells clean and subtle. This oil naturally creates a signature scent that is unique to you. So it's unique to you. That's pretty cool. The original scent is excellent for people who don't generally like fragrance or suffer from fragrance-related headaches. Right here in church, that old lady that sat in front of us when I was a little girl, I was like, Mom, we got to go to the back. Either that or she does, because this stuff is nasty. Rest assured, when you roll on your original fragrance, it is hypoallergenic, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. Okay, it's all the good stuff. Follow all the rules. It does have a stainless steel little ball. Ooh, you know what it reminds me of? My brother back in high school, he used to wear this musk. It was musk, and it, oh my God, it smelled so good. I used to go in his bathroom before I'd take off from school, and I would just put a couple of, right here and on my wrists, because it smelled good, and people at school used to tell me I smelled amazing, but my brother used to wear it. Let's see the rest of this video, what I smell like afterwards. Just wanted to update you guys that it's been about 4 hours and the scent has mellowed out a little bit, but still smells absolutely amazing. I don't know, for 50 bucks though. Okay, last one is Galactic, and this is a rose oil petal gloss. A rose oil petal gloss. All right. Oh, pretty. Look, it's got dry flowers in there, like dry rose petals. That is awesome. That's pretty. You see that? But anyway, check this out. Check it out. Look at this all moving in there. Oh, you get a little bit. That's cool. The doe foot is not that spectacular, but I mean, it's got to be slender to fit in here. So, oh, what's that scent? It's like the inside of a vacuum cleaner bag. Oh my goodness, did I just insult them? I did. But I'm honest, okay? You're going to get honest reviews from me. If my nose says that's what it smells like, then Pete and Joseph and Francis, that's what it smells like. So, man, okay. It smells like dirty feet, dirty socks. You know when the rose is dry and buds are sitting there and it starts stinking because the water gets all yucky? That's what it smells like. I don't know if that's what you would want on your lips. I don't know. Let's put some stuff on. I'm just going to kind of dab it on the lip product that I already have. Oh, I don't want to put too much on. I'm sorry. Oh, God. I know what they had, their eye on the prize, what their intentions were, but this stinks. That's it. That's everything that I got in my November premium. This one is by the way, this is the Lady Lori box. My variation is 201 and my total came out to $234. So that's it. That's all I got for you guys. I do have some other recordings that I'm going to be doing this evening. So there are videos that will be popping up. Every day, maybe 2 a day, I don't know. But don't forget, on November 20th, I do have that collab. It is the Cozy Christmas Exchange. I'm not sure if that's the technical name for it, but it is a Cozy Christmas and it is an exchange. All of us have sent packages already. Everybody's in receipt of them, and I have not opened mine up yet. I got to get the giveaway stuff together so that I can video everything, put everything in one video. So All right, you guys, take care. I appreciate you. If you got this far, thank you very much. I appreciate you. And if you would do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there. Turn on your notifications. Make sure YouTube knows to let you know when I upload another video. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.